How to sell music on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to sell music and also upload them to let them download it as a digital file into your Squarespace website. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to click on get started, or we're going to create a new website from scratch. Basically, we need to have a specific website for the type of or the topic of music. We cannot rearrange or do something like mixing up let's say here, the products, like the physical products with digital products. Some of the products are not going to be well, let's say, marinated. So we're going to have here the type of the website or the topic of it. So basically, we're going to have, as you can see, music as a suggestion. So we are going to type in music and we're going to see the different suggestions that we're going to get. So here we have music and audio, music reference, education, music instructions, band, and musicians. So we're going to choose from these the type of the specific website that we want to create. So I'm going to have music and audio, for example. And then we're going to click on the next step. Now, what are we going to do basically is to select or tick what do we need into our website or what do we want to sell or to do into our website. So we're going maybe to sell memberships. If we're going to have memberships like Shopify, for example, for having the exclusivity of the songs or Apple Music, you can go ahead and have a service for memberships. And each time that you're going to upload music or have a certain group of people that will pay monthly for a certain amount of, let's say, songs or I don't know, audio listened to, you're going to have them right there. Also, you can go ahead and promote, for example, a physical business, build a community which is going to be well known for these type of topics or websites because the more community that you're going to build, the more subscriptions or the bot music you're going to have. Send invoices, we are going to do that. Maybe you're going to have let's say here a customized song or personalized song that we are going to send the invoices for. Also, it is going to be for our services. Appointment, we do not need them. Sell services, maybe you're going to create some beats. I don't know. You're going to create a specific beat for a client. So a contact form, I'm going maybe not, maybe yes, click donation. Maybe you're going to have a charity case or some donation going on. Sell products, this is something that we are going to ticket blindfolded. So promote an event or project. Maybe you are going to put an event or have an event in the future that will let us, let's say, collect a lot of clients from here. So they are going to attend the event or something like that. So online courses, I don't think that I am going to sell in my case, but if you're going to be interested, go ahead, showcase work and expertise. We are going to showcase the work as the portfolio of our music. Then we are going to click on next. After that, we're going to see that we have two choices is for building the template of the website. Either you are going to head over the blueprint, which is going to be the AI assistant of Squarespace to help you build your website or a unique website. So you are going to build it basically with AI, or you can go ahead and use some of the designer templates that has been implemented into the Squarespace library. So, in my case or in your case, you can go ahead and decide. But in my case, I'm not going to use the Blueprint AI because maybe it is not going to be, let's say here, that needy in my case because I'm going to need a whole website that will be fully independent from any of my help. So I need a website that have been pre-built for this type of topics. You can go ahead and create one from the blueprint, but maybe it is going to help you out have a simple website and not some, let's say, multi department or complicated things. So we are going to choose a template and we are going to see the online stores. So as you can see here, based on the type of the website, you're going to find everything that has been set up for here the specific website. So we can go ahead and head over here and see if we are going to find maybe um, the music type I'm going to see here. And as you can see, we have some music. When I have clicked on media and podcasts, we have nine choices. So we can have these, this one, that one, or whatever. So I can go ahead and select one of these, or you can go ahead also and get the specific this one. As you can see, this is a suggestion from a Blueprint AI for not choosing it. You're going to have here a preview for the website that it is going to be created. So this is a photo created with AI, I think, and this is the color palettes that are available and the fonts. So if you're going to be interested and this is attracting for you, click on the build site in here, or you can create with the blueprint from the beginning by clicking on it. Now let's see here something that will be interesting for us. So here we have singularity, rotate, zatar. Let's say like syncton. This is going to be very good for food. And let's see here. I'm going to choose one of the first ones. I'm going to scroll down or scroll up a little bit and maybe go with this one or that one. So let's see here. What is this? Is this a page? This is only a one page, as you can see here, website. Let's go ahead and have this one format. So we are going to navigate through it and see if it is going to work out well for us. So as you can see here, we have our website. So the images are the stock images that we've seen before. And we can go ahead before and selecting the website, we can take a look for it and see if it is going to be pleasant for us or not. So you're going to have still the choice. So let's see here. In my case, I do not really like the color scheme in here, so I can go ahead and select the presets, or I can go ahead and change it to something else. I need for music, we need something more energetic, so or something that goes deep in the mind. So something like the yellow, and you can go ahead and choose this. Or I will tell you something that I'm going to go with this color, and we can go ahead and ignore this template. I don't know why I didn't like it for like this. So I need a more like a store music. So is manual. So let's go ahead and select another one. So I'm going to select this one. Maybe as you can see, we have a lot of streaming lists, and this is going to be looking well for us for the illustration of the songs. This is called Sanju. So we are going to select this. Maybe we are going to change the color palette for it. So we are going to have something else better, I think, than the color that has been chosen. So this is a lime, I think, choice. So maybe this or that. I see this is going, I think, a little bit better. So we are going to click on start with this design. We are going to wait for the website editor to let us choose or load up the screen of the specific website. So we are going to wait for a few seconds, and here we are. So the website, I think, has been published or has been opened because I have received an email from Squarespace to let me know that I have a ready website. So we are going to wait for a few seconds, and here we have the final version of the website. It is, as you can see, ready for action and for modification. We have a little bit of animations in here, so the images will appear, and I can go ahead and have everything. As you can see, the buttons are really animated and ready to go. Now, as you can see, we can go ahead and head over the pages and see what pages that we have. As you can see, this is episodes or whatever. Basically, I do not need these. I can go ahead and set up my own website by clicking on add, and then we are going to add a store. So this is a thing that we are going to need. Only we need to add a store. And then We're going to have it just the right section. So basically, if you want to take things simpler, you can go ahead and add whatever type of website that you want, even if it is going to be a built from scratch website. You're going only to have the specific website. Let's say here, right there, the things that you're going to get basically on the website is going to be having a layout or a simple layout. After that, you're going to add a store, maybe a collection page or something that is going to be resembling that. So this is the store. As you can see, I can go ahead and select one of these layouts. I'm going to select this one, and we're going to have it as maybe like that. I'm going to click on it, wait for the items to appear, and here we have some demonstration items. So this is, as you can see, the store page. Now, let's say that we do not want people to access directly to the store page. We can go ahead and head over here, the home page. And the idea that I have liked on this website is going to be as you can see, the illustrations. So we're going to wait for here, as you can see here, the specific section. So this is let's say here, a page designed for illustration. We can edit the content. For example, we can have these content. You can modify the images, modify the design, and etc. So now for the section itself, you can go ahead and change the background color and also the type of the background and also the format. So if you're going to have the divider or not. So let's say that this is going to be a music cover. What do we need it to know is going to be this button. For example, if I want to have this button, normally it is going to take us to the specific collection or page that we have. So I'm going to add a blank section right there, or I can go ahead and have another section specific for something. This is going to be a section that has been added for the episodes. I can go ahead and add my own store section into this specific area, or you can build it from scratch by adding some blank section, adding some images, and then we are going to have some labels and also some buttons in here. So I'm going to let you see that we can go ahead and create it from scratch. So here, as you can see, we have the first block as a block or a text. We're going to make here a text, for example, recent release. Boom. And we're going to change the type of it. For example, I'm going to change the type of it to heading 2, for example, like that. Boom. And you are going to have it like this. Boom. This is the first thing. Now, what I am going to do is to add another block, like an image block. It is going to be like that. So, and then I can go ahead and duplicate it to 3 different blocks. And now I can go ahead and have as you can see here, the specific blocks right there. And for the design of them, you can go ahead and head over Canva, or if you're going to know how you can go ahead and do the design into or the illustration into Photoshop, you can go ahead and have it. But these are going to be much easier on Canva. So you can go ahead and head over Canva and create a vinyl or an artwork. After that, you're going to have, as you can see here, a little text and a little, let's say, here or preview. So we are going to add a text. That text, I'm going to take it here. I'm going to let it as this. So it is going to be paragraph. So we are going to name, for example, our name is Jack Production, for example, prod. And we're going to make this bold. So we are going to have this as a title, maybe Jack's Prod, for example, or I don't know here, Jack's Pop. And you can go ahead and have this all over the specific, as you can see, images. So I'm going to have it just like that. If you're going to wonder how I can duplicate the um, any block in here, I only need to press Alt And you're going to see that the cursor is going to change normally the shape of it to a cursor with the plus button. And when you are going to drag and drop something, it is going to duplicate from it. So, and then you're going to add a little bit of a text. I'm going to have this also duplicated. And I only need to set up the paragraph, for example, as 3. Delete the, as you can see here, the specific bold. And I can go ahead and make it to something, maybe here, my name is Jack. The name of the song, for example, is going to be Rotation. I don't know here. I'm just giving an example. Then we are going to have things in here. Now, the last part is going to add a button. For example, we're going to add over buttons like that. The button, I need it here. So I can go ahead and make it a little bit, let's say here, smaller than that or bigger, doesn't matter. So I'm going to put it for the 3, as you can see here. And we're going to have it like this. So you can go ahead and put the content of the text, for example, or download like that. You can go ahead and do that for all the buttons. Maybe you're going to have it just like this. And we're going to have it as this, or purchase, it doesn't matter a lot. And then we're going to have it as it is. So now what are we going to do basically is to head over the save and click on exit. After that, we are going to head over our store, and we can add to proceed to add the different, let's say here, products or the music. So I'm going to head over here, for example. I can go ahead and select the page details as much as I want. For example, for a music, I can go ahead and use with the simple and also the wrap one. So it is going to be nearly the same. But here for the wrap, it is going to be the style that will go for multiple illustration products, but the music is not going to be a multiple illustration. So we can head over the half and the simple. Now I'm going to head over the pages again, home, and we are going to click on products and services. And we can go ahead and create. Here we have physical products, service, and etc. We're going to create a download. And that download is not going to be free, but basically it is going to have a price. For example, we've had here Jax. We're going to have the name, for example, rotation. I'm going to have the name of the song like that. You can go ahead and have a description for the music that you have put. The illustration, of course, the inventory, it is going to be an uploadable file, and the price of it, maybe we are going to have it just like that. We're going to maybe have a sale for just like this, boom. And we can go ahead and add a category for it. For example, if I am going to have a pop, for example, a pop music, just like that, add it, and boom, we are going to have them like that. Tags, for example, pop music, I don't know here, new, for example, release, and etc. So we are going to have it like that. Selling tools, we are going to make it as a featured product, and here you have it. So this is going to be, as you can see here, the product itself, and you need only to click on save. Must upload a file. That means that you need to upload your file from here. Click on that, and you're going to upload your music just right there. Do not forget to click on publish when you have finished, and then you only need to have your link. For example, for this specific, let's say here, a product like, I don't know, I'm going to have a link, and then we are going to head over the website, the pages. We're going to head over the home page. This is going to be the trick here. So this is going to be the case. We're going to double tap and attach the link for the specific, let's say here, music. Or you can go ahead and have your product. For example, product. I have here the pop one. So you can go ahead and have the link for it. Or you can go ahead and have here the product right there. So you can go ahead and link it just right there. And boom, here we have it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.